All right, you guys, you know it's that time of the month where we go ahead and clean off of April's tray, and then we're gonna start with May's trays. This is what is left on my tray. This is how everything is looking. I have some fragrance mitts over here that I was using, as well as, you know, the mini. So yeah, we're gonna go on ahead and take everything off this tray and start on May's tray. Go ahead and start with May's tray. You guys know May is such a very long and celebratory month for me. I have several people's birthdays this month. This tray is going to have a lot of my husband's favorite all-time fragrances or myself on this tray. So first we're going to go ahead and start with one that I could not wait to pull out. This is going to be Perfumes de Marly Valaya, and you have to excuse my nails, you guys. I'm going to be doing them sometime this weekend. Absolutely love this fragrance. It literally is one of my top 10 for life type of fragrances. It's very expensive, but it is such a beautiful and unique type of fragrance to my collection. I got this in last year and I have absolutely been loving her since. As you can see, that's a nice little dent in her for, you know, me to have over 150 fragrances. So I absolutely love this fragrance. I had the dupe on the tray last month, but I had to bring out the real thing for May. So yeah, we love us some Valaya over here. One of my other favorite fragrances, as well as one of my husband's favorite fragrances, have to come from the house of Navitus, and this is AI the Great's collab. This is Amorous Intense. You guys, I love this. Look at the dent in this bottle. AI really did her thing with this one. I feel like this one did not get enough love as much as her very first collab, which I don't own that one, but I eventually want to. But y'all, I absolutely love this fragrance. It is such a beast mode fragrance on me. I think I remember people saying that it wasn't, you know, when it first came out, but y'all, this literally lasts all day on me. It smells amazing. This is the one they said smells like Jolly Rancher, and it is a very sweet fragrance. It's definitely also another really unique fragrance to my collection, so I absolutely love this one and cannot wait to pull her out. As well as, I want to say I might have her in my spring favorite fragrances. I'm not sure. An amazing fragrance, and I cannot wait to play with her. Alright, you guys, a oldie but a goodie is one that I want to finish up this month. This is Replica's Under the Lemon Tree, and you guys, my bottle is busted. Okay, like I have to tape the label on here because it was coming off because the bottle had gotten wet, and as you can see, the top is kind of broken, but I really enjoyed this fragrance. I would totally purchase this one again, but yeah, I do want to go ahead and use this a little bit up and just get it out of my collection, and I think eventually I will repurchase. I don't know if it's something I will repurchase right now, but I do really like this one. This is very much a lemon fragrance. If you like the scent of lemon, if you like a good citrus, this is what this is. This is not a gourmand. It's just a true citrusy type of fragrance, and I really enjoy this one. You guys, so the next fragrance coming to the tray is going to be Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue Summer Vibe. You guys, this is definitely a favorite of mine. This is the only flanker I own, and this is definitely probably one of the best ones. Honestly, I cannot even remember the notes in here, but I remember this being like the best one I've ever smelled. I love this one, and I think this one actually has a peach note in it, if I'm not mistaken. But this one is so good. I love to bring it out for spring and summer every single year since I got it, and I've had this one for either 1 or 2 years now. This one is so good. I did smell the new one from this year, and I think that one wasn't as bad, but this is definitely still my favorite. Right, last month's tray had Bath and Body Works Gingham Fresh. This time we're bringing out Gingham Gorgeous, and y'all know this is a floral fragrance, but it's a strawberry floral fragrance, and I love strawberry. It's literally one of my favorite fragrance notes to be in fragrances, like, ever. I really had a lot of fragrances that had strawberry this time on the tray, but I think I ended up putting 1 or 2 back because I just did not want to overfill this tray this month with a bunch of strawberry scents. I want to spread it out through spring and summer. But yeah, I really like this one, and I do want to get some usage out of her because I do have the entire collection. I'm going to be adding some Gingham Gorgeous to my project Use It Up this month, so stay tuned for that. God, I could not wait to pull out the Valentino green extravaganza. I love this Valentino. It slowly has become one of my favorites. Y'all know this one has some green tea notes in here, and I just love it. It's so beautiful. It's very unique to my collection as well. I think it's very unique to the Valentino family when it comes to the Donna Born aroma line. So yeah, I love this one, and I'm so happy to be adding her to the tray. Next fragrance coming to the Alright, so the next fragrance coming to the tray is going to be one I got in my Sephora VIP sale haul. And when I tell you guys, I am obsessed and in love right now. You guys, this is Decor's Mochi Milk. And as you can see, she has a little bit of a dent in here. She has not been on the tray yet, but I have definitely been wearing her in the travel size. And I love this one so much. Darken up a little bit more, but you guys, this is one of the best marshmallow fragrances I have in collection, next to K. Ali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow. You guys, I absolutely love this one, and this is a clean beauty brand, so that's what makes it even better. And I just need me some marshmallow in my life right now. Along with that, I have my 7 Virtues Clementine Dream on the tray. Yeah, I wasn't even gonna put this one on the tray this month. I was gonna wait until next month, but I really just felt the need to pull her out. Y'all, when I tell you she is so good, I cannot wait to show you guys what I have been pairing with her lately. And y'all know I love me a good citrus. I love me some vanilla. So to put 2 of my favorite scents together, of course I had to get this one in full size. So yeah, love this one. The next fragrance coming to the tray is definitely more unique and special to my heart. I showed you guys, I think in my birthday video, that I made a perfume, and I love it. This is one by Love and Make. It is a company here in Houston, Texas, where you can make your own unique signature fragrance, and that is what I did for my birthday, and it is called Birthday Love. And since there's so much love and birthdayness going around, I had to pull her out. She smelled very pretty. I know she has some vanilla in here. She also has some citruses in here and some peach notes, and I just really like this one. It's very unique, obviously, to my collection. It is nothing quite like it, and I cannot wait to play with her. So I'm going to link the video so you guys can see my haul for my birthday and hear me talk about this one a little bit more. As you can see, I switched my fragrance tray up just a little bit, just to make them a little bit more even, because it was looking a little crazy. But yeah, the next fragrance is actually going to be a perfume oil. And while I normally sit my perfume oils on the side of my tray, if you can see, like right over here, I'm going to go ahead and sit this one on the tray because it's so big. And this is going to be my MFK Baccarat 540. So I'm going to go ahead and just sit this one on the tray and see if I get to play with her a little bit more this month. What we're bringing to the tray is definitely a oldie but a goodie, and this is also one that I think I want to go ahead and use up. Y'all, it's only a couple sprays left in this bottle. It's just no point in me keeping this. This is from the Pink brand, and this is Pink for All. I have a video talking about all of these fragrances. No longer on the Victoria's Secret Pink website, but sometimes they do pop up like during the sale. So I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for this one in particular because this is my favorite. Look how much I got left, y'all. Like, it is no reason for me to have this in my collection. But this is a strawberry fragrance. I want to say it reminds me a lot of BBW's strawberry pound cake. It's something very similar to there. It's kind of a gourmand strawberry, and I very much enjoy this one, so I wanted to go ahead and add her to the tray. Moving on to another brand new one that I just recently got. I have not filmed a video on this, but I have seen your comments and you guys want a video on this, so I am going to be doing it hopefully sometime this week. This is from MFK as well, and it's the brand new Turkey. I've definitely been wearing this one, trying to get to know it, how I feel about it. It is definitely one that I'm going to be keeping in my collection. I'm not going to be sending this one back, but it is kind of, I don't want to say it's unique, but it is a little bit unique. It's definitely unique to the MFK brand, and it's just a little bit different. The very last fragrance that I'm going to be bringing to the tray by Pacifica, and this is Dream Moon. And this is one of those dupes for Baccarat. Now, to me, it smells extremely similar. It definitely runs in the same family as all the Baccarat and all of those things. So I wanted to go ahead and put this one on the tray, get some usage out of her, see how I feel about her, and it also gives me time to use my Baccarat oil as well. So yeah, you guys, she's definitely coming to my tray for the month of May. I'm not really gonna go over those over there, but those are my travel size fragrances for the month, and some little body oils that I'm keeping over there as well. The travel size haven't really changed since last month, so it's all about the same. And then I do have a few little fragrances over here that I'm going to be using this month. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's tray. I cannot wait to dive into my fragrances and just play with them. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye, guys.